Personal hygiene is an integral part of the food quality and safety for each and every food processor. In the United States, current good manufacturing practices found in 21 Code of Federal Regulation Part 110:10 includes a section entitled Personal. The element within this section may be found in personal and include disease control, cleanliness, and training and supervision. The Codex Alimentarius food hygiene documents also include similar guidelines in Section 7, Establishment, Personal Hygiene. All third-party standards, both those approved by the Global Food Safety Initiative and private audit schemes, also include personal hygiene requirements. Let's take a look at what makes up a company personal hygiene program using the good manufacturing practices as a guideline and the steps that food processors should take to protect their products. Operators must understand that personal hygiene is more than just a rule for the workers. Plant management must develop, document, and implement the necessary procedures, provide the necessary tools and equipments, set an example, and provide the workforce with necessary training so that they understand what is expected from them. Number 1. Food processors should not allow any worker who is sick or has open wounds in a food handling environment. Worker health is handled differently in different parts of the world. In many countries, especially in Asia, food handlers are often go for medical tests every year. These tests may include blood tests, stool samples for intestinal parasites and pathogenic bacteria, and chest x-rays for tuberculosis. Workers who fail the tests are not allowed to work until they test clean. Employees shall undergo a medical examination prior to employment in food contact operations. Number 2. Wearing outer garments suitable to the operations in a manner that protects against the contamination of food, food contact surfaces, or food packaging materials. Number 3. Maintaining adequate personal cleanliness, washing hands thoroughly, and sanitizing in an adequate hand washing facility before starting work and at any other time when the hands may have become soiled or contaminated. Number 4. Removing all unsecured jewelry and other objects that might fall into food, equipment, or containers. If such hand jewelry cannot be removed, it may be covered by material that can be maintained in an intact, clean, and sanitary condition and that effectively protects against the contamination. Number 5. Maintaining gloves if they are used in food handling in an intact, clean, and sanitary condition. The gloves should be of an impermeable material. Number 6. Wear appropriate in an effective manner hairnets, headbands, caps, beard covers, mustaches cover, or other effective hair restraints. Number 7. Storing clothing or other belongings in appropriate areas. Example, other than where food is exposed or where equipments or utensils are washed. Number 8. Confining the eating food, chewing gum, drinking beverages, or using tobacco to areas other than where foods are exposed or where equipments or utensils are washed. Number 9. Take necessary precautions to protect against contamination of food, food contact surfaces, or food packaging materials with microorganisms or foreign substances. Example, cosmetics, perfumes, chemicals, and medicines which are applied to the skin. Number 10. Visitors to food manufacturing, processing, or handling areas should wear appropriate, wear protective clothing, and adhere to the other personal hygiene provisions in these areas. Hope this video will help you to understand the major personal hygiene practices under the requirements of quality and food safety standards. Give me your feedback and thank you so much for watching this video.